Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Object to change the color on the senior frames. It will be the same for both the boys and the girls. So when you get it and you open it in Photoshop, it's a Photoshop file, so it will come in looking like this. Here's your frames. You can toggle them off or on. And then there's three different wood grain overlays you can toggle off and on. I'm just going to leave it on overlay 3. Then where it says here Smart Object, double click to change color. So I'm going to double click there. And then this is where I can change the color, where it says color overlay, and then select a color. So say I want to do green, and I want it to be like a brighter kind of green. Okay, okay. And then you just X out here, and then you're going to click yes, and there it is. Now you can play with the different wood grain looks. And then you just have to add your pictures and your text. Now, say I want a different color, go to color overlay, maybe do a pink, do like a hot pink. X out, yes, and there you go. You can also take off the wood grain altogether. Hopes that helps. Bye.